What's going on, guys? Today I got this custom guitar case to show you. It's got the House of the Rising Sun design on it with a nice samurai and some jets flying there. But this guitar case is made by Postal Monkey. Now, these custom guitar cases are about $250 online. You can find certain ones for like $150 if they're not as sweet as this one. And I personally got this with a guitar in a trade, and I can't find anything about it online, so I'm making a video about it. Quality latches, really nice latches, and you got a lock on each side. And it's super plush on the inside. Nice little Lynch guitar, but I don't know if you can catch this. This fuzz is real. And another sweet thing is it's got a built-in tuner. Postal Monkey. Flip it on, you got it in and out. So it's got true bypass. You just plug this straight into your pedal, straight into your amp. You've got a tuner here no matter what. It's powered off of 2 AA batteries. Don't need a screwdriver to open the hatch or anything. And it's an all-metal design. Huge side pocket here, and this right here has a rounded edge so you can pick up picks no problem. I mean, it's not that big of an issue, but whatever ideas you can come up with to throw into a guitar case. Sweet little tiger strap. But it also comes with a little manual for the tuner. Swing, swing, swing. But yeah, guys, I mean, if you got some extra bones to throw at some custom shizzle, then check out these cases. I mean, where do you see a guitar case like this? This is insane. What kind of guitars in there? I don't know. It must be something custom. It's just a George Lynch Tiger guitar. But anyway, Postal Monkey. Pretty sweet stuff.